Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, everybody. How are you, everyone? I'm fine and enjoying. I hope you all will be fine and doing good jobs. This is Sobia Asif, and today I'm going to teach you vegetables name with their syllables and sounds also. So this video is going to be very helpful for kids and parents. So keep watching and follow along and repeat after me. So let's get started. So I have divided these vegetables name into syllables, and this way when kids will read, their reading skill will be much better than before. Okay, so which vegetable says this is a potato. Okay, its color is light brown, and you like to eat potatoes, chips and french fries also. Okay, so let's read it. Potato, potato. Okay, together this is potato. And the next one is, which vegetable is this? This is a tomato. It is red in color, so let's read it. Ta. This is not O, this is called to. Tomato. Okay, this is tomato. And which vegetable is this? This is a cauliflower. Okay, k and a u sound like k. Call flow, OW sound like O. Cauliflower, cauliflower. Which vegetable is this? Cauliflower. Together this is cauliflower. Okay, so next one is lemon. This is a lemon. Okay, lemon. This is a cucumber. CU sound like come. One sound like cucumber. Together this is cucumber. Okay, so next one, this is a coriander. Which vegetable is this? Coriander. Okay, so coriander. This is together coriander. Okay, coriander. So which vegetable is this? This is a ginger. So listen it very carefully. Here is something very tricky. This is G and its sound is like G, but here after G is E sound. Okay, G. E. That's why we will not say it G. This is J. Here we will pronounce it J. Jen. Okay, J and Jen. Again here after G sound is A. Okay, so that's why we will say it ginger. Okay, together this is ginger. Again I'm going to repeat J and Jen. Ginger. And next one, this one is a spinach. So let's read spin. Okay, spin. When these two letters will be combined, sounds will be produced like ch. Spinach. Together this is spinach. Okay, I hope this video is going to be very helpful for you. If you have any query, ask me in comment section. Stay blessed, take care, till the next lesson. Bye bye.